Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Glue-On Nails is probably one of the most exciting and creative accessories for young fashionistas. These nails offer a fantastic way for kids to express their unique style and personality through fun and colorful nail art. Whether it's for a special occasion or everyday play, these easy-to-apply and remove nails provide a safe and enjoyable experience for children. Number 5. SIUSIO Kids Press-On Nails, Multicolor Gradient. Introducing the SIUSIO Press-On Nails, designed specifically for little girls aged 5 and up, teens, and women with small hands. These nails come pre-glued, making application a breeze. You'll get beautiful nails without the need for gel or polish. These kids' press-on nails are crafted from high-quality ABS material. It's a safe, environmentally friendly choice, free of toxins and odors. This material ensures the nails are durable and look natural. These acrylic nail tips are perfect for both nail art beginners and professionals. They're ideal for salons or at-home DIY nail art. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays, Christmas, or themed parties. The set includes 120 pieces in 12 different sizes, making it easy to find the perfect fit for every finger. This ensures a comfortable and customized look. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, we're here to help within 24 hours. You can also reach out to Amazon customer service for assistance. What we like? This product is pre-glued, making application a breeze. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to give your little one a fun manicure, this is perfect. It's ideal for busy parents or for kids who love instant gratification. With this, they can have beautiful nails in minutes. What people say? The nails were very sturdy and last a week. She now wants a salon. My 10-year daughter loved these. They were the perfect size for her. I love the designs. These nails are fun, easy to apply and perfect my 9-year-old daughter. The sizes were slightly big, but for the most part they fit and my daughter loved them. In my opinion, the price is great because you get 5 different sets of nails in the box. Number 4. Laza Kids Press-On Nails, Glitter Rainbow. These Laza press-on nails are incredibly easy to use. You can trim, file, and paint them effortlessly. They make your tips look magical and stylish. Made from high-quality ABS material, these nails are safe and environmentally friendly. There's no toxic smell, and they won't harm your nails or body. Perfect for both professionals and beginners, these nails are great for salons or home use. It's a wonderful gift for any girl or woman, ideal for various occasions. The set includes 120 nails in 24 different sizes to fit most fingers. Each size is individually numbered, making it easy to find the perfect fit for every finger. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us directly. We'll provide satisfying solutions within 24 hours. You can also reach out to Amazon customer service for assistance. What we like? These nails are easy to customize with polish or simply wear as is. If you like to get creative with nail art, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy expressing themselves through different colors and designs. With this, you can create unique nail styles. What people say? Great designs for a younger child pre-teen. My child is 8 and they are perfect for her, and they actually fit kids' fingernails. The design is sleek and cute for kids. The adhesive, it's incredibly strong and hold nails for a week at least. Number 3. Kids Press-On Fake Nails Kit, Pink Flower. Introducing a delightful set of 240 pre-glued false nails designed specifically for kids. This kit offers a fun and easy way for children to express their creativity. It is perfect for little girls who love nail decoration. Each kit includes 10 boxes, with each box containing 24 nail tips in various sizes. This ensures that you can find the perfect fit for every finger. This makes it a wonderful gift for any child. The nails feature a variety of cute patterns, including red hearts, flamingos, and pink flowers. The bright colors and lovely styles are full of childlike feeling. These are designed to create dreamy nails. These artificial nail tips are pre-glued and designed for easy application. Simply choose the right size and press them onto your nails. It only takes a few minutes to achieve a charming nail shape. Made from high-quality ABS material, these press-on fingernails are safe for children. They are durable, breathable, and non-toxic, ensuring they won't harm your nails or body. They can last for weeks. These full-cover false nail tips are perfect for nail salons or DIY nail art at home. They are suitable for various occasions, such as weddings, proms, dates, and Valentine's Day. They are perfect for any festival. What we like. This product comes with a variety of cute patterns. If you are looking for nails with adorable designs, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love fun and playful nail art. With this, they can show off their personality. What people say. Totally cute. Got these at one of my son's classmates and she totally loved them. She even agreed to have a girls' press on nail day with me. Love all the cute designs. Perfect, as described. Granddaughter was very excited to receive these. Her face just lit up when she opened her present. Number 2. So Cute Junior False Nails 3-pack for kids. These nails are filled with cute and simple designs that kids will adore. They are sure to impress friends and family with their charming look. Each box includes a high-quality 2G gel glue. This allows the user to reuse the nails multiple times with a single application of glue. These nails are designed to last, providing up to 7 days of wear. They are durable and perfect for everyday use or special occasions. These nails are great for children, birthday parties, sleepovers, or as a gift. They are also suitable for daily wear, adding a touch of fun to any outfit. Each pack includes 24 beautifully designed nail tips per box, totaling 72 nail tips, and 3 high-quality gel glues. It's everything needed for a fun and easy nail experience. What we like. This product includes gel glue, allowing for multiple uses. If you want a cost-effective option that can be reused, this is a great choice. It's perfect for parents who want a long-lasting solution. With this, they can enjoy beautiful nails for days. What people say. The design was cute and fitting to the age. The nails are well shaped to work for their purposes. They fit her 9-year-old, almost 10, little hands perfectly. Number 1. Kalolary Kids Press on Nails, 6-pack. Introducing these adorable nail sets. Each order comes with 6 boxes, each with 24 pieces in various sizes. It's a wonderful gift for any little girl. These nails come in different sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for most fingers. This makes it easy to find the right size for each nail. They're designed with kids in mind. Forget the mess. These fake nails are pre-glued for easy application. You don't need any extra polish. Just apply them and you're good to go. Made from high-quality materials, these nails are safe and flexible. They're not easy to break, ensuring they last. The bright colors and clear lines make them look great. These nails are perfect for kids, girls, or women with small hands. They're suitable for nail salons or DIY nail art at home. They're great for nail decoration. We promise to provide excellent products and services. If there are any problems, please contact us. We will try our best to help you solve the problem. What we like. This product is pre-glued for easy application. If you are looking for a mess-free and quick solution, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who want instant results. With this, they can have beautiful nails in a snap. What people say. My 4-year-old daughter will usually get 2 uses out of a single set of 10 nails. And it comes with plenty to use and choose from. Adhesive is decent to excellent. And you can always tack on a little nail glue to do more hold if you want. Great designs and well made. They stick on like you would assume and come off just as fast. These nails fit small nail beds and were prepped with the glue so no peeling off stickers. You pretty much get 2 sets of nails per box and great product for your money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.